Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with another just listed property of the day. And today we're in Gloucester Township. We're at Terrestria is the development, and anybody that lives in Gloucester Township knows that this is one of the perennial favorites in all of Gloucester Township. The address is 1018 Hartley Court, and let's walk and talk and I'll tell you all about this one. Property has 1,606 square feet. It's 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It's got a really nice walkout slider door to a back patio, and you'll see that momentarily. And it goes as far as the eye can see. It opens to a field to the back of you, and it's nice and nature-like and rural beautiful. So we're going to check it out. This is a townhouse, and this one is priced to sell, and you can compare it to other of the recent sales here, and you'll find that this is priced just right. Let's check it out. So you can see you have the granite countertops. You have your stainless steel appliance packages, flat top stove. You have the undermount stainless steel sink, all in really nice shape. And you got plenty of light coming in from the west. Got a big dining area. Flooring is in nice shape. And there's a basement down here, which I'll show you momentarily. And you have this large bullpen area, perfect for entertaining. And you have this wood burning fireplace ready to go for you. Let's check out the back patio. This is really nice. Not many of these units have this feature where it opens up to an abundance of nature. Squirrels, birdhouses, all kinds of natural things going on, and it's absolutely lovely. Concrete patio, plenty of area here to entertain. So let's check out the upstairs. There's also a half bath right here, which makes it real convenient for the first floor use. All in nice shape. Let's check out the upstairs. So it's got 3 beds, 2 full baths up here. You just saw the half bath. And this is really a lovely room. This is a huge master bedroom. And it's really cool how the seller has positioned the bed, soaking in that eastern sunshine. Absolutely beautiful. And as you make your way here counterclockwise, you have the vanity sink, and you have a nice full bath here, stand-up shower. And then coming back around here, you have a closet, walk in, store all your stuff. And then you have another closet here as well, where you can put all your favorite belongings. Bedroom number 2, the seller is using this as a home office. And you can see it's real nice for that. You could use it any which way you want. Another bedroom, nursery, but it's set up perfectly for the use as the seller is using right now. Love the colors in here too, by the way. And then this would be bedroom number 3. More of the same, everything nice and neat. Turnkey, all you need to do is move in. You got another closet area here. Real nice. And you have a full bath, everything well appointed. And it's got the soaking tub in there. The washer and dryer is upstairs where it should be. Real convenient. Take care of all your needs that way. These units have a ton of living space, and you have even more space down here. Use this as you want. It's got a little bar area, real nice. Exercise zone. You could have a playroom here, a recreational room, sewing room, whatever you wanted to use it for. It's got multi-purpose, and here's your utilities. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you really loved it, give us a subscribe. And if you know anybody who wants to move into Terrestria, Gloucester Township, or anywhere in the area, then share this video with them. This property has 1,606 square feet. It's got low association fees, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. Other amenities that this property has is you have a wood burning fireplace, you have this huge bullpen area, you got a full basement, and just close proximity to everything. The Atlantic City Expressway is just to the south of us, centrally located, perfect to jump on there, go to Atlantic City, go to Philadelphia, any which way you want. So if you love this property, make sure you give us a call at 609-400-3035. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.